expectation is that we probably coming into the breakdown area right here. We're testing it. And my expectation for Thursday, going into Friday, Jerome Powell stock, is that we're going to have some kind of attempt still to continue, which we did on the intraday level. We had an attempt to go higher than the previous day's high, and then quickly reversed, obviously, behind the Jackson Hole, narrative. And it's definitely an aggressive bar. It's the best downward bar that we have had since, let's say, this level right here, or maybe even since this time, so the banking crisis. So visually, it's very disturbing. But at the same time, you have to ask a question. Looking at the volume signature, how much of the volume signature relative to, let's say, initial decline that triggered this reaction we have? Okay, so we see in that vicinity, but somewhat slightly less. So slightly less selling brings us what result? What is the intention behind the Thursday's bar? It's to most definitely break something, right? So if there is a lot of aggression, if there is a lot of selling, then the intention behind the sellers is to break some kind of structure and push the price even lower. Did it happen? Except for committing below the last up bar, we did not have that break of the local structure. So when that tells me again that there is some force here behind this bar, which is the hidden demand, that comes in and there is some local absorption. Now we still have to see what kind of effect of that absorption we're going to have. So we need to most definitely overcome this level. So far, this is the level for us to overcome, around 4,500. We need to overcome this high and we need to overcome this breakdown. Also, if we extend to the left, we see that this level has, played out several times. And that's why I'm saying, we're in some kind of trading range formation. And the only way out of this to the downside, just to break, or trading, then trading more in the upper part and then continuing to the upside. That will change the stride of the uptrend. And that will also be in line with the seasonality, which again is suggestive of the trading range going into October, November lows, seasonal lows, and then resumption of the uptrend. So that's how we kind of like look at this picture right here.